everyone, I hope you are all doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video. I was approached by a company called Qing Beauty who wanted me to basically review one of their new palettes that they've released. I had a look at the products, I had a look at the reviews, I was really interested. As you guys know, I'm super picky about brands that I choose to work with, so I thought, you know what? This looks really exciting, let's give it a go, let's give it a review. So I also do have a discount code for you. So the discount code I will put on the screen now and also put below, and that will give you an additional 8% off the palettes and any products that you order. But basically the palette that I'm going to show you today is really cool. I will also leave the link below where you can click to directly place your orders. And yeah, let's just stop wasting time because I'm really excited. It's packaged really well, which is important. Nobody wants to get makeup products and they're all smashed up, right? So you just get a little thank you card with your order, and also it just gives you the details of their social media, and they're not tested on animals. I can see the hoppy little bunny. So the new collection, and again, they've got loads of palettes. You can go and have a look. They're all super colourful. They do lots of different makeup, but the new palettes that they do are actually in shapes. So I went ahead and picked the owl because I love owls. I think owls are amazing. And I just first of all love this. It's got like iridescent owl on with the name. I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, so we're just opening the packaging. Ooh, how cute is that? It's quite a big palette as well, actually. It's cardboard, but it's nice quality. And like I say, it's a little owl. Hoot hoot, hoot hoot. This palette is beautiful. Pretty. Okay, you basically get quite a couple of shades, lots of colours, but you also get these thicker glitters as well. So today's look is basically going to consist of a sunset look. I just had this idea. I wanted to do like a sunrise look and then a sunset look with more of like the purple colours. Again, I tend to do dark colours and light colours when I'm reviewing a palette because I think it's really important. And what I'll do is I'll also include some pictures now of some of the swatches, just so you guys can see what these look like as swatches as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get you zoomed in. Let's just go for it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the sunrise eye first. So the first colour that I'm gonna take is this orange here. Now, I don't have an eyeshadow primer on. I put foundation on this morning. I put foundation on this morning and I'm literally just going over the top of that because, like I say, I like to give these shadows a fair chance. Not everyone has an eyeshadow primer, so very pastel-y shade. And I'm not having to take a lot on the brush either, which is nice. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of a deeper orange now. We're just gonna go ahead and feather that. There's a little bit of fallout, but again, not a huge amount at all. There is none on my face so far. I just want to make that colour a little deeper. These are so far blending out beautifully. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this luminous pink colour here. And I'm going to apply that just on the outer corner. And again, do you see, I mean, I've hardly touched that and it's super pigmented. Don't want to lose too much of that orange, so we are going to go back in with the orange in a second, but just want to kind of add that pink. I'm going to go back in with the orange and just slightly orange it up. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this gorgeous yellow glitter because it's just screaming out at me. It wants to be used. It needs to be used. And I will use you. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush when I can find one. I'm just gonna pop that on a brush. I'll be intrigued to see how these glitters apply. Oh. It's like got a iridescent kind of vibe. No, honestly, this all over the lid on its own would just look stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this, which is like a darker pink. It's probably more of like a reddy pink. God, I actually really like this palette. and they are really pigmented, and there's just hardly any fallout. I mean, I've already done like the rest of my makeup, and I was a little bit like, maybe I shouldn't, because like with my Lorac palette, for example, the fallout, it just goes everywhere. Guys, I love that. It's just really simple, but like really pretty. I'm just gonna add a nice little highlight color. I'm gonna go in and use the bright white in the palette. Just super chic and like stunning. So I'm just gonna do the under the eye, and what I'm gonna do for the under the eye, I'm gonna go ahead and do a gradient again. So I'm gonna start off with the bright pink, just in this corner. I mean, you can just see how pigmented that is already. Like, I've hardly touched it. Super pigmented. The orange, just blend that through. Woo! Oh, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that white. Just pop that in the corner. Oh. Okay, not gonna put mascara on yet, but I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. So it's gonna be a bit of a darker eye, so we're gonna get a little bit more of an idea as to the pigmentation and, you know, how dark these colors actually are. So I'm going to go ahead first of all, and I'm going to take this blue. I'm not gonna go too dark with that though, because I actually want to put purple over the top. So I'm now just gonna take this deep purple and blend that into that blue and up slightly. Again, I don't want to take it too high. So then on the lid, we've got to take a glitter, right? It would be rude to not take a glitter. I'm gonna take this purple. This purple here is just like, use me, use me. Okay, so very similar effect. It's just got more of a purple vibe, but it's still kind of like a light glitter. Maybe we should try one of the thicker glitters. I don't know, what do you think? I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna test it for you guys. I'm going to take this blue color here. Just going to, oh wow, okay. I've got a little bit that's fallen out under here, which we'll clean up in a second, but yeah, there's definitely a difference between the consistency of a thick glitter and the little glitter. So then the last thing that I'm going to do is just take this bright purple, and very much like we did with the last eye, a skinny brush. And just add a little bit more purple in there, because I feel like it's very blur. It's very blur. I don't know why I keep talking like that. I'm really sorry. It's really annoying. Gorgeous. So I'm just going to do the under eyes again. Same thing. Okay, I'm gonna just add a little highlight again, just in this very corner. Just brighten that corner up a little. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So we've got our daytime, sunrise, nighttime, sunset, whatever you want to call it. Honestly, I think this palette is amazing, and I'm genuinely not just saying that. This is definitely my new favorite palette. I absolutely love it. The colours are super pigmented, they're super easy to use, they look really flawless on the skin. You've got everything that you need. You've got bright colours, you've got some neutrals, you know, you've also got thick glitters, thin glitters, that make it look very iridescent. So yeah, let me know if you want to see more looks with this palette, and like I say, the link will be below if you want to directly go and purchase this palette and also get your 8% off. And I'll see you in the next video.